Donald Trump don raise voice say Canada plan to recognize Palestinian state fit spoil di US-Canada trade deal wey dem dey arrange. Dis 1-year-old boy don turn local celeb after Tori comot say e bite poisonous cobra snake to death for July 24. Na small for di tori wey we bring come give you today be dat. Dis na PidginToriGlobal, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija Pidgin. Na your right to sabi wetin dey happen for world, so we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. No forget to like and subscribe to PidginToriGlobal and make you still share am with your friends. Oya, make we enter the gist proper. UK singer Jess Glynne don talk say she dey feel sick after she see say White House carry her song from Jet 2 holiday advert play for one deportation video wey dem post online. The video wey White House post for X show people wey Immigration and Customs Enforcement (ICE) dey carry enter global airplane with handcuff. But wetin shock people na say the video dey play Glynne 2015 song Hold My Hand and that popular Jet 2 voice wey dey talk say nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday. Zoe Lister, the woman wey do the voiceover for the advert, verse 2. She tell reporters say she no support Trump or im kind policy. She talk say the meme suppose bring joy, but say Trump no sabi joy at all. Jess Glynne sef reply for Instagram say her music na about love, unity and peace, no be hate or division. Plenty people don call out the video say e be embarrassment and lack of humanity, though some people still hate Trump for im hard stand for immigration. No be today White House dey post meme. Just this month, dem post image wey show Trump head on top Superman body, call am Superman Trump. Donald Trump don raise voice say Canada plan to recognize Palestinian state fit spoil di US-Canada trade deal wey dem dey arrange. Trump write for im Truth Social for English say, "Wow, that will make it very hard for us to make a trade deal with them, oh Canada." He still remind say deadline for countries to agree trade deals with US na 1 August, else dem go face bigger tariffs. Canada follow UK and France join for dis move to recognize Palestinian states, and reports say e get wetin dis one go mean for international relations. Palestinians don call dis move symbolic but important, even though say some people no too sure say whether two-state solution fit really work. Some of the top lawyers for UK don tell Prime Minister Sir Keir Starmer say if he recognize Palestine as a country, e fit break international law. Dis warning come after Starmer talk say UK go move towards recognition of Palestinian state if Israel no gree for ceasefire and no revised two-state solution. But 43 UK peers, including 10 big lawyers like Lord Panic and former Supreme Court Judge Lord Collins of Marbury, don write letter to Attorney General Lord Hammer say Starmer plan no follow the Montevideo Convention. Dat convention, wey dem sign since 1933, talk say for any place to be recognized as country, e must get clear border, permanent population, one working government, and ability to relate with other countries. But the peers talk say Palestine no get clear borders and na two different groups dey control the area, Fatah and Hamas, wey no dey work together. Dem even talk say Hamas na terrorist group and Fatah never do election for years, so dem no fit qualify as proper government to run a country. Dem warn say if UK begin pick wetin e like inside international law, e go cause wahala for future. But Business Minister Gareth Thomas talk say UK no sign that Montevideo Convention, so e no bind them. Now everybody dey watch to see whether Lord Hammer go support Starmer plan or tell am to hold break. Dem say food dey give life, but for Gaza, wetin suppose be food run turn wahala on Wednesday as more than 50 Palestinians Chasivya, one strategic hill town for Donetsk region, but Ukraine deny say dem lose am, and military experts talk say fight still dey go on for the area. One special court for Mumbai don free all 7 people wey dem accuse say dem get hand for bomb blast wey happen for Malegaon, one Muslim majority area for Maharashtra, September 2008. Among the people wey court release na Sadiq Pragya Singh Thakur, former MP for ruling BJP party, and army official Lieutenant Colonel Shrikant Prasad Purohit. Judge talk say prosecution no fit prove say na Thakur motorbike dem take plant the bomb. Dem also tok say even though dem agree say blast happen, dem no get correct evidence say bomb dey di bike. For Purohit side, court say no proof dey say e buy or keep explosive for im house. Court cancel all di charges under India anti-terror law, tok say to jail pesin, dem need real evidence, no be just guesswork or moral judgment. But lawyers for the victims' family tok say dem no gree for the judgment and go carry the matter go high court. Even as court don free all of dem now, victims' families still dey push for justice. Dis 1-year-old boy don turn local celeb after tori comot say im bite poisonous cobra snake to death for July 24. Little Govind Kumar bin dey play for im family garden for Moshi Bankatwa for Bihar State, India, wey dey close to border with Nepal wen e see di snake. Im mama bin dey work for di back garden, na so im grandmama tok. E say di pikin catch di snake and use teeth bite am. Dem come notice say na cobra snake. Na so Jovin lose consciousness dat time. Im family rush am go local hospital. Dr. Kumar Surab, the doctor wey treat Govind for Government Medical College, tok say when dem admit di child, im face bin swell up, especially im mouth side. E tok say dat same day, im also treat another pikin wey cobra snake bite, say both of dem now dey healthy. Dr. Surab explain say though di two cases dey harmful to human, one dey much more dangerous. When cobra bite human, im venom dey enter human bloodstream and cause neurotoxicity wey dey affect human nervous system. Dis one fit lead to death. Na so e tell newsmen. When human bite cobra, the poison go reach digestive system, the human body go neutralize am and the poison go pass through. Na wetin Dr. Suba tok. E add say e for dey worse if to say the pikin get bleeding points for im digestive tracts. Police for Angola say 5 people, wey include 1 police officer, don lost their life and dem don arrest over 1,200 people after protests for di capital, Luanda. Wetin be start as 3-day strike by taxi drivers against rising petrol prices don escalate go one big wave of protests wey di country never ever see before. Thousands of people follow the demonstration for the capital on Monday, 28 July. Dem block roads, loot shops, destroy cars. Demonstrators and police also clash. The protests continue for Luanda on Tuesday, 29 July. Dem still loot more shops and clashes between police and demonstrators continues. Na taxi operators call for the strike to respond to government decision to increase the price of diesel by over 33%, one measure wey dem introduce for early July as part of plans to remove fuel subsidies for the oil-rich nation. This no only lead to higher cost of transportation for urban Angolans wey dey rely on the taxes, but e also don increase the price of food and other basics as suppliers wey dey transport these goods by road dey pass on the additional cost give customers. But dem tok say groups of individuals wey dem no fit identify, wey no get any legitimate representation with the taxi sector, bin resume the call for strike actions and dem promote intimidation and violence, including attacks on vehicles wey dey move for public roads, even those wey no dey provide taxi services. As of Tuesday afternoon, major shops, banks, plus other businesses no open. Some civil servants don return to work, but many people wey dey work for private companies stay for house on the advice of their employers. And the last one for today, dem dey offer parents for China 3,600 yuan, equivalent of $500 a year for each of their children under the age of 3 for the government's first nationwide subsidy wey aim to boost birth rates. The country birth rate don fall even after the ruling Communist Party bin abolish the controversial one-child policy almost a decade ago. The handouts go help around 20 million families with the cost of raising children, according to state media. Several provinces for China don pilot some form of payouts to encourage people to born more children as the world's second largest economy dey face looming demographic crisis. For March, Honot, one city for the northern region of China, begin offer residents up to 100,000 yuan per baby for couples with at least 3 children. Last week, Beijing dey also urge local government make dem draft plans to implement free preschool education. Di country dey among di world most expensive places to have children, according to one study wey China-based Yua Population Research Institute do. To raise one pikin to di age of 17 for China dey cost average of $75,000 according to di study. Na di tori be dat for today, and na Rebecca Godfrey dey report for PidginToriGlobal. Una do well.